Hello everyone. So I am at the same place from last 1 hour on Dodakanelli Kasavanhalli road. So that is basically road starting from Kaduvisanhalli going towards Sajapur road, the internal road, Gear School road. So the challenge is here is that I followed the Google map, and yesterday there was a pathetic situation on ORR main road, so I followed this, and yeah, here I am. I'm stuck here for almost an hour. So this message is to honorable companies on outer ring road. Please do something. So now it's come boils down to you. Given that the government has totally given up, they are not able to take the responsibility, and there is a total collapse of the system. So I would request, please give work from home option or do something. I don't know what could be the solution. I won't ask you to relocate to somewhere else, but yeah, you need to counter this. So morning I spent around 2.5 hours, and evening it's almost 2 hours completing, and by the time I reach home it would be 3 hours. So if I count both to and fro, it would be around 5 to 6 hours. 5 to 6 hours, man. I don't work that much in an office. If I exclude my races, that means the lunch and break. So 6 hours I'm spending in traffic. So see the condition, right? How much the value that being lost in the traffic. So you have to come up with solution. Given that the government has given up, they are so pathetic. I'm lost. I'm at loss of words. I don't want to use any bad word, but I'm really at loss of words when it comes to the way the city is being managed, the way the road is being repaired, the way anything they do don't last. So I don't want to go in that territory. Being a private employee, I'll just request the private company to do something. Do something. Give work from home. I know that 5 days in office is a mandate, but do something. Change the shift. We hardly stay 4 hours in office and travel 6 hours. Spend 6 hours in traveling. So and then we have to finish our work at home. So our personal time is getting destroyed. So please do something, and it's a humble request. To all the company on outer ring road, it's beyond control. It's beyond control. Since you guys have made 5 days mandatory work, so most of the companies, I don't know any company remained on outer ring road that still follow the hybrid work culture. But this is going beyond control, and the employee won't say anything in front of you, but you'll see the burnt. You'll see the burnt on productivity. So please do something. It's humble request from companies. Please sort it out. It's not sustainable at all. Thank you very much.
ಮೆಂಡು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಸತ್ಯದ ಕನ್ನಡಿ.